Hi everyone, and welcome to the iProcess webcast. My name is Roxana, and today we are discussing how to use ASPICE for risk management. Automotive SPICE is the automotive industry model for process assessments. It is a framework used for process improvement as a criterion for supplier selection and to determine risks in the quality of a specific product release. A project risk, on the other hand, is an uncertain event or condition that, if occurs, has a positive or a negative effect on one or more project objectives, such as scope, schedule, cost, or quality. A risk may have one or more causes. An example for a negative risk is a shortage of qualified workforce, while an unexpected resource availability can be a positive risk. While your customer will use an ASPICE assessment to determine quality risks for their project, you can proactively use ASPICE for planning, identifying, analyzing, responding, and controlling risks. Let's take a look at how this can be achieved. Risk planning. How can you plan for uncertainty? The number one expectation here is to have a risk management process in place. Use risk management from ASPICE to define a process or a strategy for risks if not already defined. Make the process available to the entire project team from the beginning. Identify risks. The starting point of any project is a set of requirements, hence the start of risk identification as well. Use best practices from processes such as system requirements analysis, system architectural design, software requirements analysis, software architectural design, together with activities such as feasibility studies, reviews, information gathering techniques, audits, and assessments to identify risks. Lessons learned from previous similar projects and historical data are excellent methods to be included as well. Response planning. To plan the right response, you need to evaluate the risks and understand their impact. One way of doing that would be to rate each risk on its probability of occurring and impact on cost, time, scope, or quality. Create a matrix and plan your responses based on your organization's thresholds. Possible responses for negative risks are: avoid, change scope to eliminate risk, transfer to a third party, for example, insurance, mitigate, reduce the probability and impact, and accept, do nothing, also known as passive acceptance, or establish contingency reserves, also known as active acceptance. Possible responses for positive risks are: exploit, change the scope to ensure risk occurs, share, a partnership, enhance, increase probability and impact, and accept, not pursuing the risk. Update your estimations and plans based on the planned risk response. Look for notes and guidance provided by ASPICE, such as in project management. Define, monitor, and adjust project estimates. System and software requirements. Analyze system or software requirements. Change management, and so on. Determine what estimations and plans could be impacted and need updating. Controlling risks is about implementing the planned responses, tracking risks, monitoring residual risks, identifying new risks, and so on. Executing ASPICE processes does exactly that. For example, for a risk related to late or unclear customer requirements, the risk response could be to mitigate it by adding additional system tests to the existing test strategy. Always remember, risk management is an iterative process that needs to be done systematically, just like ASPICE. iProcess can help guide and support process improvements based on ASPICE and other industry standards and models. We're not only telling you what you did wrong, we can help fix it.